It's Christmas time! Oh my god, so excited! What's up, it's Justine with Debt Free Millennials, the channel for all things millennial, money, and debt-free living. If you want to learn more about debt-free living, be sure to hit subscribe and that bell notification so you never miss another video from me. Today, I am going to be talking about 5 things I won't be spending money on this Christmas. The budgeting wife asked me this very same question, and I thought to myself, there are a few things, and I'm gonna be going over all of my answers to her question in this video. Also, be sure to check out other YouTubers who are answering the same question. We've got Budget Girl, Freedom in a Budget, Lydia Sin, and The Budgeting Wife all talking about this exact same topic. I'm going to link to their videos below in the description, and don't forget to throw some love and hit subscribe for them as well, okay? All right, so the first thing that I won't be spending money on this year for Christmas are holiday decorations. I have about 5 Christmas boxes that I bring up every single year, get out, and to be honest, one of the boxes I don't even put out because I live in an apartment and I just don't have the space for everything right now. In far, far future, when I get my mansion, it's gonna be, you know, Christmas everywhere. My husband's favorite holiday is Christmas, and he told me these exact words.
I want Christmas to throw up in our apartment.
So I'm working on it, guys. But for now, with limited space, I'm just not going to be spending more money on holiday decor. Instead, what I often do is I'll find household items around the house that aren't Christmas related and see how I can incorporate it into my theme. So take, for example, I have a flower vase. It's a very nice flower vase. And what I did is I ended up putting like little Christmas ornaments, little balls in there. Yes, I can say little balls on this video without y'all laughing. Little balls. Anyway, so I put some like colored wire, purple wire in here. I don't know if you can see this, but I did this as like a K-State theme because that's my alma mater where I went to school, and I even put like a little ornament inside, and I'm just going to have this up in my home office as like a silver and purple theme for the home office. I think that's a really great idea. So look for flower vases. I also have a little basket that I like to put pine cones in, and for some reason San Diego has these gigantic pine cones everywhere, and I told my husband to scoop them up while he was at work, and so I got free pine cones. Use your resources, guys. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money on holiday decor to make it look really nice. All right, I won't be spending money on a Christmas tree this year. Last year I bought a 6-foot fake Christmas tree from Michael's for about $60. Now, I'm sure you're thinking, wow, 60 bucks for a 6-foot tree? That's amazing. It's a little skimpy, but I typically fill it with ornaments and different little things that I got on sale from last year. So I've filled it out, and to be honest, I could see that tree working really well as like a basement tree for our future mansion. Not in California. I won't be spending money on Christmas pajamas either. So you know how people like to get like brand new PJs to wear on the morning of Christmas so that they look really cute when they're taking pictures? Old Navy does the best job at making that really cute loungewear, but it's something that I won't be spending money on this Christmas. Mainly because your girl got this awesome Harry Potter sweatshirt. Happy Christmas, you filthy muggles. This, can you see, oops. Can you see this? This sweatshirt rocks my socks. So I found this on Etsy, and I'm going to be wearing this sweatshirt this Christmas. I wore it last year, and it's the butter to my butterbeer, yo. So indulge me on my Harry Potter Christmas sweatshirt, okay? I'm Harry Potter obsessed, and I think everybody needs to have some Hermione, Ron, and Harry in their lives. Next, I won't be spending money on baking ware. So lately, I've always been, I shouldn't say always, I've been really good at cooking, but I haven't always been a good baker. But recently, I've been upping my baking skills, guys. I now have mastered the sugar cookie and the chocolate chip cookie, and then my tried and true chocolate crinkles have always been a fan favorite, but that's 3 cookies, guys. And something that I won't be spending money on this year is new baking ware. I literally have one baking sheet. Let me show you. I have this one baking sheet and see how much love it's had. I mean, there's stains, it looks god awful. Just the one baking sheet, that's all I need. And while it would be amazing to have the really nice matching baking sheet set and those Silpat mats, Christmas gift, you guys. That's just an idea. I can get along just fine with this one pan and one spatula and I'm good to go. The last thing that I won't be spending on Christmas this year is a new church outfit. So I have a great fall winter dress that I can wear for all kinds of occasions, and then I can accessorize it differently. In fact, I'll show you. So this is just a plain black dress and I've got like a nice little scalloped edge to it. It's really cute. You can wear it with tights. You can put a scarf around your neck. You can make it really just trendy in different ways with different jewelry. But to be honest, when you're going to church, you're only gonna be wearing that outfit for an hour. Okay, seriously, it's probably more than an hour if it's Christmas church service. But why would you spend $100 on an outfit that you're only going to wear tops 3 hours? I mean, that's like spending $33 an hour to wear an outfit that you already had sitting in the closet. So think about how you can reinvent new pieces. Your girl Chase, I interviewed her about how you can hack your closet. Definitely check out that video and see how you can make a new church outfit out of old things in your closet. So what are some things that you won't be spending money on this Christmas? I'd love to know in the comments below. Let's all save some money and have fun this Christmas. Don't forget to check out the other YouTubers who are responding to this exact same question. I'll drop the video links in the comments below. And I hope that you guys have a very blessed and debt-free Christmas this year.